Hello friends, so finally one of the biggest hiring has been announced from the TCS. So finally TCS NQT off campus hiring has been announced, and first time in the history they have announced the hiring for three batches at the same time, that is 2024, 2025 and 2026. So TCS All India NQT hiring. TCS invite application to apply for Prime Digital Career Opportunity. Make sure to go this video completely, and soon I will make a complete video related to registration, related to strategy, coding and all things. So keep an eye on our YouTube channel. You will get complete update here. So they are hiring for three category: CTC range, that is 9 LPA for prime, for digital 7 LPA, and CTC range for postgraduate 11.59. Okay, so this is the offer category, and if you have some experience, means obvious, if you are from 2024 pass out, then you will get little bit higher package and actual compensation work on work experience and job location. So registration start date, that today is started, and don't apply now, I will make a dedicated video before that. Don't apply, I will suggest. And registration end date is 20 March. Test date 10 March 2026 onward. So make sure to start preparation for the NQT now. You will get very less time, and I have already told you that after Mahashivratri any time your registration will be out, and you can see finally registration has been out. So apply now. What is the application process? So step one, you have to log into the TCS Next Step portal. If you have ID, अगर आपका ID already बना हुआ है, then you have to just log in and click on apply for drive. If you don't have, then you have to just register and apply for drive. So there might be two scenario: already registered, so you have to no need to register again, आपको फिर से registration नहीं करना है, and just apply for drive by logging in. Scenario B, अगर आपने registration नहीं किया, then you have to do registration, and then you have to select the skill on which you wish to be evaluated, and then select in center mode of test. Choose three preferred test center, में तीन center आप लोग को choose करना है, and you have to go to complete details. Then आपको job cities prefer करना है, and to confirm your status check the track your application that ये apply for drive है या नहीं. So important note, उन्होंने बताया that you must have all original document to be dated to be submitted at the time of interview, and communication related to test will be provided by our official partner. So this is the important things, and one of the biggest hiring finally has been announced. Talking about the eligibility criteria, so now those students who are from the BTech and ME, MTech or MCA, MSc, all are eligible for this hiring, and you should be batch from 2024, 2025, 2026. एंड एकेडमिक एग्रीगेट जो है 60% आपका थ्रू आउट रहना चाहिए 10 12th, एंड इट शुड बी फर्स्ट क्लास. एंड बैकलॉग एरियर, नो पेंडिंग बैकलॉग अल्लाह विल बी परमिटेड एट द टाइम ऑफ अपेयरिंग फॉर TCS सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस. सो यू शुड नॉट हैव एनी बैकलॉग. एंड एक्सटेंडेड एजुकेशन, नो एक्सटेंडेड एजुकेशन विल बी अलाउड. गैप मैक्सिमम आपका 24 मंथ होना चाहिए, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए. एंड कोर्स टाइप ओनली फुल टाइम course will be considered. Okay, so part time correspondent course will not be considered, they have clearly mentioned. And work experience up to 2 year are eligible to apply, and candidates should be average between 18 to 28 year. Hiring category मैंने already बताया that they are hiring for three category: ninja, digital and prime candidates. So this will be your project basis. So for prime candidates you will work on the complex project with advanced technology and algorithm, and exploration of emerging tech and industry application. Obvious friend, वो लोग आपको अगर ज़्यादा पैकेज दे रहे हैं तो they will take more work from you. Then for digital candidates, project on solution development and integration, drive internal initiative. And for ninja candidate, project on application development and maintenance, enhance system engineering for better efficiency. टेस्ट फीचर ऑफ पैटर्न का बात करूँ, सो दिस विल बी योर पैटर्न, एंड आई ऑलरेडी मेड अ डेडिकेटेड वीडियो ऑन दिस TCS NQT coding questions and pattern and all things. So I will also pin that video too, and soon I will make a dedicated video, no need to worry, but start preparing for now, जो कि बहुत important है. So test will be considered of various section. फर्स्ट डे दैट इज फाउंडेशन सेक्शन, जहाँ पर आपका न्यूमेरिकल, वर्बल एंड रीजनिंग रहेगा, मीन्स एप्टीट्यूड रहेगा. 20-25 क्वेश्चन, पैटर्न सेम है जो पहले रहता था. एडवांस क्वांटिटिव एंड रीजनिंग एबिलिटी 20-25 क्वेश्चन. एडवांस कोडिंग 90 मिनट्स का रहेगा, जिसमें आपको 2 कोडिंग क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना होगा, एंड टोटल ड्यूरेशन 190 मिनट्स है. सो फ्रेंड, दिस इज ऑन द बिगेस्ट हायरिंग एंड एवरी वन शुड अप्लाई. सो फॉर अप्लाइंग यू हैव टू जस्ट click here apply now. Then a new window will appear. Now if you already registered, just click here login here. And if you haven't registered it, then you have to basically register now. So when you will click on register now, then a new window will appear, and you have to select the category that you are from IT background or business. So for TCS NQT, you should be click IT background and just click here continue. Then you have to give your mail ID and validate it, and further आपको करना होगा, जो कि मैं just डिटेल वीडियो लाने वाला हूँ. सो ऑल द बेस्ट टू कैंडिडेट्स एंड नाउ यू आर गेटिंग द गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी. सो स्टार्ट प्रिपेयरिंग and I must join in our WhatsApp or Telegram study group. There I am sending the pre-preparation material. Okay, so you should join that and best of luck for further hiring. कोई भी query हो feel free to ask here and soon lots of video will came related to NQT. मिलते हैं next video में. Thank you.